To pay without using a card. Several methods can be employed. One option is to utilize a digital wallet, such as Apple Pay, Google Pay, or other popular wallets, which allow for contactless payments. This involves setting up a digital wallet by opening the respective app, adding a debit card by entering the details or scanning the card, and then following the verification steps. Once the wallet is set up, it can be used to make payments at stores or online. Another option is to transfer funds directly from an account, which can be done if the recipient accepts direct transfers. This involves using an app to initiate the transfer to another bank or to other payment services, like PayPal, Venmo, or Cash App. Making payments directly using account details is also possible. This involves selecting the Pay by Bank option, adding the account and routing numbers at checkout, or providing these details for rent, utilities, or bills. Using the Pay Anyone feature in an app is another alternative, which requires the recipient's email address or phone number to initiate the payment. The recipient then receives instructions to claim the funds. Lastly, some users may have access to a temporary virtual card, which can be used online or linked to a digital wallet in cases where a physical card is lost. This option is only available to select users and can be found within the account settings. These methods allow for convenient and card-free transactions, providing users with a range of alternatives to traditional payment methods.